Hello Kuya Infinite, it's your day today and happy birthday to you. Wishing you all the best. Enjoy your day, God bless and be safe always. We love you. Happy birthday again.
Hey, Kuya Infinite. Happy birthday. Hope na masaya ka sa araw ng kaarawan mo. Thank you lagi sa pagsuporta sa channel ko and sa pagturo sa akin sa paggawa ng channel ko and pagiging co-host ko sa podcast. Pag may time ka, turo mo sa akin yung technique mong 2 oras ha. Anyways, sana happy ka ngayon, okay? And wish you all the best. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Give me candles on the cake, I got wishes. Don't hold me up, I got all these places I'ma visit. Hey, line up the shots, we got a birthday to rock.
Happy birthday, sa'yo ang pulutan, sa'yo ang lechong Cebu. Happy birthday, sana'y mabusog mo sila. Happy birthday, Kabsat, Infinite Stream from Cebu. Kamusta ka na? Enjoy your day today. Lagi mo tatandaan, full support tayo kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at sa ating mga sinusuportang mga kaibigan at mga kakabsat. Enjoy your day, Kabsat! Yuhuu! Maestro Paul TV on the line. Bye-bye! Yan, Kabsat Infinite. Naimbang Garabi. May sa iyo, happy birthday sa iyo. And more blessings and birthdays to come, Kabsat Infinite. Yan. Kinakamusta ka pala ni Jeffrey Hidalgo. Gusto ka na daw. Yan. Happy birthday ulit sa iyo Kabsat Infinite. Robert Ortega lookalike. Happy birthday daw sa iyo. Happy birthday sa iyo. Ginigreet ka niya Ginigreet ka ni Sandro Zamora. Happy birthday daw. Happy birthday daw sa iyo. Sabi niya sabi rin ni nagpapahabol din si Max Delantes. Happy birthday daw sa iyo, Kabsat. Yan. Happy birthday sa iyo, Kabsat Infinite. More blessings and more birthdays and blessings to come. So, attend daw sa mo. Pupunta daw sa birthday mo si Rudolph Yapchinchay. Rudolph Yapchinchay daw. Rudolph Yapchinchay kasama si Lee Robin Salazar. Happy birthday daw. Sabi sa iyo sabi sa iyo sabi sa iyo ni Devin Villarama. Happy birthday daw sa iyo. Bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit. More blessings and birthdays to come, Kabsat Infinite. Bye-bye.
Yes, hello guys. This is Annie Sipcon and I just want to greet Infinite Streams. Wow, happy birthday to you, Infinite Streams. At may you have many more birthdays to come. Well, ilang taon ka na nga ba, Infinite? Ayan, hindi man lang makatikim ng handa mo. So anyway, ayan, sana masaya ang araw mo na to at laging be happy lang lagi and syempre magpakabait tayo, okay? At marami pa sanang araw, marami pa sanang taon ang iyong marating. Okay? So, happy birthday ulit. Bye!
Hello, Don Infinite! Happy birthday! Ayan, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Ayan, sa aming Don Infinite, happy birthday! And more success in your channel. At sana maraming pa tayong pagsamahan na jamin. At lagi ko ipagdarasal ang iyong lumalusog na pangangatawan at maraming blessing na dumating sa iyong buhay. Ayan, so muli, happy birthday!
Hi, Sir Infinite! Ang Don ng Team International. This is Mona Lisa TV Official. So yun, balita ko, birthday mo raw. O, anong handa natin? Pwede bang pumunta dyan para makikain? So anyways, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And God bless you more.
Hello, the Humba Master Infinite. Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, the Humba Master. Enjoy your day. More blessings to come. More birthdays to come. Siyempre, more good health. Ayan, good health. Thank you sa support mo palagi sa mga live stream namin. Lalo na sa Team International. Thank you dahil napaka-supportive mo. Kahit minsan hindi ako nakakapunta sa live mo, nagsusupport ka pa rin sa amin. Sa amin lahat ng team, sa ating lahat, Team International. Thank you, Don Infinite. Papatuloy mo lang yung kabaitan mo. Sana yung channel mo, ingatan mo yung channel mo para hindi kukunin ni Lolo. Sayang pinagpaguran. At andito lang kami magsusupport sa iyo palagi. And once again, happy birthday to you. And sana mabusog mo kami. Lalo na yung specialty mo, the Humba. And bye-bye. God bless.
Hello, this is Brando, Don Infinite. Ayan, maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo sa StreamYard natin, sa pagkakanta natin. Nung active ka pa. Yan, sana magiging healthy ka lagi at saka take care of yourself all the time, brother. Huwag kang magpuyat na magpuyat. Yan. Focus lang tayo sa ating journey. Yan. Happy birthday, Brother Infinite. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you, shining star.
Hey, Infinite, it is Slim. Just want to wish you a happy birthday, brother. Hope you have a great one, man. Hope you enjoy it. I hope you have many more. Peace, love, and always. God bless. Happy birthday, my man.
The world is lucky to have you. Don't you know you're kind of strong with a heart of gold.
Hi everyone, Joseph Fields here. I want to say happy birthday to Infinite Streams. Wish you many more birthdays to come. God bless you. Hi everyone, Joseph Fields here. I want to say happy birthday to Infinite Streams.
Sa nagsimula, saan matatapos ang galing mong taglay sa kaibigan ay ayos. Galaw mo kapansin-pansin, di pwedeng isnabing Infinite ang pangalan, Hokage galawan. Sometimes you see him, sometimes you don't. Building his effort, choosing like he loves to hold. You see his upcoming parang lotto, coming counts, oh yeah. Your birthday, keep the weakness away. Your birthday today, cool rap home but to stay. Wag sobrang tawa, baka ibang jacket, ibalot today. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Sometimes you don't. Building his effort, using Mikey love to hold you. You see his upcoming parang lotto, timing counts, oh yeah. Your birthday, keep the weakness away.
Happy birthday, Master Hoomba Adobo. May your hangover tomorrow be mild and your cake today be extra spongy. Team International, always here for you. It's me, Mayora. Oh, yeah!
Oh,